In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize your reading library in Notion using a book tracking template. It's a simple way to keep track of the books you've read, are currently reading, or want to read. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Reading Library, Book Tracker, or a similar template, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Replace the sample entries with your own books. Add details such as the book title, author, genre, reading status, start date, finish date, and your personal rating. Customize the database by adding properties like favorite quotes, review, pages, or reading goal if you want to track additional information. Create different views to organize your library. For example, use a gallery view to display book covers, a table view for detailed information, or create filtered views for books you're currently reading or plan to read next. As you finish books, update their status and add your notes or reviews to build a searchable reading library that grows over time. That's how to organize your reading library in Notion. Thanks for watching.